Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make lemon and cilantro soup. This soup is very comforting and nourishing, and if you are having cold or cough, this soup gives instant relief, and it's also very easy to make in instant pot. So let's get started. So take 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 2 green chili. You can adjust the green chili to your taste. 3 garlic cloves and 1.5 tablespoon of ginger. Now I am taking 1 small bunch of cilantro. So I am going to save few stalks for garnishing, and rest I am going to take in the blender and blend this into a coarse paste. As you can see, I ground everything into coarse paste and I didn't add any water while grinding. Put instant pot on saute mode high and add oil. I am adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add half teaspoon of mustard seeds. One sprig of curry leaves. One red chili. Few pinches of asafoetida or hing. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Fry for 1 or 2 minutes. So after 1 minute I am going to add the ground cilantro paste. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes. So after 2 minutes I am adding half cup of pigeon peas along with 2 cups of water. I am also adding salt to taste. Mix well. Turn off the saute mode and put the lid. Bend to sealing position and do manual high 8 minutes. So the instant pot has naturally cooled down. So the dal is perfectly cooked, as you can see. So now I am adding juice from 1 lemon. You can also add lime juice and adjust the quantity of lemon or lime to your taste. And I am adding cilantro to garnish. So I am going to add little bit more water to get a thinner consistency. Now put it on saute mode high for 2 to 3 minutes and the soup will be ready. So after 3 minutes in saute mode, our lemon and cilantro soup or rasam is ready. I hope you try this delicious soup. If you have enjoyed this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and share this with your friends, and I will see you again with a new video. Thanks for watching. Bye.